Okay, move to the next top and last part of this integer, that is subtraction. See, subtraction I have already told in a last lecture that when two opposite signs are there, we are subtracting smaller number from bigger number. But there is one more rule in this subtraction. What is that? See, if a sum is like this, 8 minus 2, okay, then see, always remember this and always do it properly, that whenever minus sign is there, whatever sign in the bracket is changed, right? Means suppose minus sign is here. In the case of addition, we are not changing any sign, right? We are taking as it is, whatever sign is given. But in the case of subtraction, if the minus sign is there, then the sign which is given for the next number is changed. Like this minus 2 become plus 2. So the sum will be 8 plus 2 and the answer will be 10. Okay. If the sum is like this, 2 minus plus 1. Okay. Now here also we are changing this sign because minus sign is outside the bracket. So plus become minus and the sum will be 2 minus 1 and the answer is 1. Okay. And the rule which we have already learned in addition, that if both the number are having the same sign, that is how it applicable. See, it become little bit different here. How it, see, minus 6 minus 4. Okay, as I told, if minus sign is there outside the bracket, sign of next number will be changed. So minus 6 plus 4, because this 4 is having minus sign and it will change as plus. Now see here, your sum is, one is with minus sign and one is with plus sign. That's why we are subtracting it. So 6 minus 4, that is 2, and in this 6 is having negative and it is a bigger number. So answer will be minus 2. Based on this, we are taking our last and the next practice set, that is practice set 8. Okay. Now move to the next and the last practice set, that is practice set 8. This type of table we have already completed in practice set 5, right? That is in the case of addition. Now see, here we are subtracting this two number, means this one vertical column and one horizontal column, and we are getting the, taking the answer from that. Now see, 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. Now see, here this 6 is having plus sign, so only this plus sign will be minus, and 3 and minus 6. Now this both having opposite signs, so you subtract 6 from you subtract 3 from 6, you will get answer 3. But in this case 6 is having negative sign, so your answer will be minus 3, right? Next, take 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. Here also, here simple subtraction is there. 6 subtract from 8. That will be answer 2. Okay. Next, minus 3 minus 6. So see how it is. Minus 3 minus 6. Now here both are having the same sign, so you have to add these two numbers, right? So minus 3 and minus 6. 6 plus 3, that is 9, and the answer will get sign minus because these two are having negative sign or minus sign. Okay, next minus 2 minus 6. Here also both are having the same sign, so you are adding this two number. 6 plus 2, that is 8, and your sign will be minus. Okay, move to the next column, that is minus 8. Now see, 3 minus minus 8. Now how it will be? See, 3, okay, minus, now your this minus 8 will be in bracket. Put it in this bracket. Now see here, when minus sign is there, the sign of the number which is in the bracket is change. So this minus become plus, and the sum will be 3 plus 8, and answer is 8 plus 3, 11. So answer is 11 only. Understand everyone? Now this 8 minus minus 8. Now see, 8 minus minus 8. Here also your minus 8 will be plus, and 8 plus 8, answer is 16. Okay. Next, minus 3 minus minus 8. So minus 3 minus minus 8. See here, minus 3. Now this minus 8 will be plus 8. Now see, opposite signs are there, so you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So subtract 3 from 8, answer will be 5, and in this case 8 is a bigger number, it is having positive sign, so your sign will be plus only. Next, minus 2 minus minus 8. Here also this minus 8 will be plus 8, and your sum will minus 2 plus 8. Both are having opposite sign, so subtract 2 from 8, your answer is 6, and as 8 is a bigger number, it is having positive sign, so your answer is plus 6. Next column is 0. So 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. When we are subtracting 0 from anything, or we are adding 0 from any number, then your number is that same number, so it is 3 only. Next, 8 minus 0. That is 8. Minus 3 minus 0. Minus 3 minus 0 means minus 3 only. Okay. Minus 2 minus 0. That is same, minus 2. Okay. Last column. 3 minus minus 5. Now what we have done in this minus 8, that you have to do here. So 3 minus minus 5. That is 3 plus 5, and your answer is 8. Next, 8 minus minus 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay. Minus 3 minus minus 5. So minus 3 minus minus 5. When this minus 5 comes come out from that bracket, it will be minus 3 plus 5. Both are having opposite sign. So you are subtracting this 3 from 5, that is 2, and 5 is a bigger number, it is having positive sign, so answer is plus 2. Last one, same, minus 2 minus 5. Here also minus 2 plus 5, that is 3. Okay, understand everyone? Remaining 4 vertical column along with this is your today's homework. I hope you understand this whole lesson integers. If you have any doubt in any practice set, you can ask me in my personal number. Okay, so then bye students, and take care of yourself.